Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going somewhere. I'll take you with me. Right now I'm just going on a walk because after it's been raining so heavy past week that now it's finally that sun is out that I thought like I'll take a walk now. So let's go. I still can't focus my eyes on the camera or the screen, so if you feel like I'm looking away, I'm looking at myself, guys. So nobody is here actually, like seriously. See, I hope you can see everything. It's too bright. Guys, today evening we are going to a waterfall. I'll tell you where is it and how it looks afterwards, like when we go. It's probably gonna rain in the afternoon, like in the evening time. But right now it's full sunny. Right now I am going to a rice paddy. I can go inside, but I don't know if the lines are electroded or not. So I'm not gonna take my chance. You're gonna see from here itself. Right, I hope you can see how beautiful it is. I really wanna run in between those rice paddies. Then, for now, this is it. It's so beautifully sunny today. It was raining for past week. This is Arekanat farm. Finally, I was flying outside of my birdcage. I was doing something normal after so long. As I was climbing down these stairs, excitement and happiness was bubbling inside my heart. I didn't realize how steep the stairs were and how scary it looked, and also my dumb brain didn't realize that I had to climb up these same stairs to get back. But trust me, it was worth it. I met with 3 viewpoints as I further climbed down. In first viewpoint, I saw beautiful side profile of the waterfalls. But in the second viewpoint, I could see the beautiful waterfall in all its glory. I would say it gave me top view. And finally, I got to the final spot, where the beautiful waterfall stood roaring in its majestic avatar, making me feel so insignificant, tiny, in front of its true beauty. We were alone at that time, so had the freedom to truly take in everything and enjoy. As I stood there meeting eyes with the waterfall, all my worries about the waterfall being covered in fog and everything else disappeared into thin air. Hi guys, we're just going uphill for a while now. We can't walk. It's too tiring. It's hard to breathe also. But we're still doing it. Let's go. I'll see you at the top. Okay? Bye bye. Hi doggy. One is scared. Guys, we just got back where we left our vehicles. It took us like 10 minutes to get down, but it took us like more than half an hour to be back here. It's super hot now, even though it's raining outside. I don't know if you can hear my voice, but it's like shaky. I don't know how I'm sitting in this, Sorry, I don't have any food. I have only this. It's not your food. You can't eat it. Sorry.